about me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
So up first we have hooks. Now hooks vary in sizes. You can have maybe, I think the lowest I've ever seen is a 1 or 1.5 millimeter. So these sizes vary depending on the type of yarn that you're using, the size of your project as well. This is an 11.5 millimeter and it's usually used with like chunky yarn. Along with your hook, the yarn that you choose to use is also important. Now this is a chunky, this would be along the chunky category. This is a velvet yarn. I usually use this type of yarn when I'm making like sweaters or chunky beanies or hats. It's usually for like heat purposes, you know, to keep the heat when the person is wearing the product. This is also another type of yarn. I mostly use acrylic yarn though, mainly Red Heart. This is the brand that I use. Other tools that you typically use are scissors, tapestry needles. This is what we use to end the project, to weave in the tail so that it does not unravel. You also will need a tape measure and stitch markers depending on the project. So up next is the type of stitches.